What's up, you guys? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be doing a small house wash, probably about 1,900 square feet, give or take. I'm going to be doing it with Jacob or Apex Pressure Washing, whichever you prefer. He's going to help me knock this one out. Earlier in the day, I was doing a bunch of work. I had about 4 quotes that I did yesterday off of my Facebook ad strategy. If you guys are curious about that, check the first link in the comment section and description. I've been getting so many leads off of this. But anyway, I did a quote yesterday, and the lady said she wanted it done as soon as possible because she wanted to get the landscape done around. And she said something about the landscape couldn't be done until the pressure washing was done. So anyway, I texted her over this morning, told her that we'd come get it knocked out a little later on today. So me and Jacob are going to ride over there. We're going to get the house knocked out and make a little money today. So let's get it. What's up, you guys? Commentator Justin checking in for the video. In this one, we are doing a house wash job recap. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I landed this using my Facebook ad strategy. If you guys are curious how I land these pressure washing jobs using Facebook advertisements, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. And before we get too deep into the video, I do want to mention a few other links that I have down there as well. If you guys need insurance for your service-based business, I have an insurance link. It only takes about 10 minutes to get a free estimate. So whether you need insurance for your business or you already have insurance and you want to try to get a better quote, either way, fill it out, 10 minutes, get a quote. Take it or leave it. You don't have to sign up, whatever. The other link that I have down there is a CRM trial. If you guys need help keeping up with customers, collecting payments, or sending invoices, check that out down below. I know that was a huge game changer for me when I could finally consolidate all my customers into one database. A bunch of helpful stuff down there in the comment section and the description. But let's go ahead and hop into this one. So I recently went out and did a quote on this lady's house. I knew that I was going to need Jacob or Billy to come out and give me a hand with it, and I'm going to get into why I've been doing so many jobs with them here in just a second. But before we do that, I kind of want to give some background on the customer. So I quoted her probably the day before this. Jacob had a roof wash fall through the next day, and I just went ahead and fit her in because she said she wanted to get it done as soon as possible because she wanted to get the house wash before they went ahead and got the landscaping done. I encountered this scenario a good bit, people wanting to wash the house before they do the landscaping. The only issue that I ever run across whenever that circumstance does present itself is the fact that there is overgrown shrubbery in front of the house, and sometimes it makes it a little bit more difficult to wash the house. But in this case, we got everything washed and looking really good. So the people who actually own this house are part owners of a local restaurant in town. So we may possibly be getting to clean the restaurant because she mentioned to me she was a part owner. She said, I'm going to get you to come out and do a quote for me. So if we land that, that'll be absolutely huge. You guys know that I'm going to bring you along and show you everything. But that was one of the exciting things. And initially when I went out and quoted her, I quoted her on a roof wash as well as a house wash. I gave her a bundle price. If we were to do it all in one day, I usually can do a little bit of a discount because we're going to be there. It's guaranteed work. However, she wanted to do the house first, and then she said that she would try to do the roof wash in about a month. So we'll see what happens with that. It doesn't always go through, but, you know, is what it is. So first and foremost, we came around, pre-treated everything with sodium hypochlorite. We let it dwell for a while, and then we came through and just washed everything down. And it might look like Jacob's using high pressure here. He's not. It's just a high flow rate. So I guess I'll go ahead and get into why I've been working with Billy and Jacob so much. So I've been seeing a lot of comments on the channel like, how's my pressure washing business doing, because I've been posting a lot of car videos, and then a lot of people saying I miss when it was you working and not someone else. So basically my leads are still coming in very steady. The cool thing about Facebook is I can kind of turn them off and turn them on at will. I don't necessarily have to have them running all the time. I just crank them on whenever I want to get a little extra work. But working with Billy and Jacob has just shown me how much extra work that I was doing with regards to my setup and my equipment. So I might do a video on this in the near future, especially if you guys want to see it. So if you want to see a video on this, leave a comment down below. But basically, we're talking about, I have a very beginner setup. You know, I have a 3.5 gallon a minute pressure washer that has to be loaded, unloaded, reloaded, and then drop back off wherever it was. In Jacob's scenario and Billy's scenario, they have trailers, they have everything built out, and we're talking about thousands of dollars worth of difference in equipment cost. So I might be doing a video on that in the future, but working with them kind of showed me how much money I was wasting, how much time I was wasting, and then how much more effort I was putting into it. As well as whenever I work with them, I can really film a lot easier. I'm not having to roll the tripod around with me. A big thing that I like to do for you guys is bring a lot of value to YouTube, kind of show you guys exactly what it takes to run a pressure washing business, what we do, and all that kind of stuff. So basically, working with Billy and Jacob makes my time more efficient. It allows me to film the jobs better, so that way I can share these jobs with you guys. I can show you all exactly what I'm doing, as well as it just makes it easier on me. It makes the entire process easier on me rather than hauling a tripod around the yard along with all my equipment. It's just an easier process on me. If you guys don't want to watch because you're watching somebody else do the work, I completely understand. I'm actually going to try to get Jacob to film me doing some work next time. So anyway, we're going to be tag teaming a lot of jobs here in the future. I got some concrete jobs coming up. We got some more house washes. It's going to be me and Jacob and as well as Billy on my channel. So if you guys want to stick around with me, I greatly appreciate it. If not, hey, look, I completely understand. Things change. We have to evolve. We got to become better, and I ultimately have to do what's best for me. And so in this scenario, me working with other people is just what's best for me until I get my own setup and my own rig and everything. Anyway, if you guys made it this far in the video, comment down below. We are here just to let me know that you guys, still support me and everything, even if I got other people helping me wash and I'm filming other people wash. I greatly appreciate everybody for your support, man. I know, we've been doing this for a little while, but I got to do what's best for me. So anyway, my name is Justin. It's Forever Self-Employed. Until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.